Hi guys, welcome back to the new tech channel, and in this new video I'm going to be showing you how you can enter math symbol when creating a document on Windows PC. Now I have with me Windows 11 and I'm going to open up Notepad and show you how you can enter math symbol on your note. And now to key in math symbol, what you want to do is to press on the start button and V on your keyboard, and as soon as you do that you get to see this dialog box pop up on your screen. So just go ahead and click on the most recently used icon. That's the first icon from the left. Then scroll down to symbols, then click this little arrow on the right, and then scroll down again till you're able to find math symbols. All right, so we have geometric symbols right here, and then we have math symbols. So from here you can enter just about any math symbol that you like to make yourself in your document. So that's how to go about that. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.